Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. In case this is your first time watching one of my videos, hi, I'm Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about all things luxury, in particular handbags, but I cover a wide range of topics on here. I film unboxings, reviews, shopping vlogs, travel vlogs from time to time, and the occasional high street fashion video thrown into the mix. So if that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Today's video is going to be a vlog, and a very special one at that. Today is Sunday, by the way. And we're approaching the last week that I'm actually at home before I move to London for half a year. So basically I have 1 week left to pack everything, say goodbye to family members, friends and everything. And yeah, next week is just a regular week at work. So I have to cram in everything in kind of like the evening hours, but I think I'll manage. Anyway, so I figured I might as well take you along for my last week at home, and kicking it off today on Sunday, I'm about to head out to a picnic, which was organized by a friend of mine. And actually out of the, I think, 6 or 7 ladies that will be there, I only know her. So that will be exciting to meet some newer people. And I thought I'd take you along with me. Granted, I don't know how much I'll be able to film because I don't know how many of the girls, or if any of the girls, would be comfortable with being on camera. My friend is on YouTube, and I think one of the other girls does YouTube as well, but I don't know about the others. So yeah.
Through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me.
Okay, I did film a little bit, but I didn't want to interfere with conversations too much. But yeah, we have the loveliest time, and now I'm walking towards the underground to head back home. And just love in summer when it's still bright outside. I think it's 7:30, and I love the city so much. So yeah, I do have to say goodbye for half a year, but I think I can manage. Especially trading Hamburg for London was an easy choice, but anyway.
I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies, and all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old.
I realized earlier this morning that today is the last day in the office. Tomorrow I'm working from home, and on Friday, by the way, today is Wednesday. On Friday I have a day off. Which hopefully will help me in getting started with packing and everything. But yeah, I initially had planned to spend the lunch break. I'm boiling, by the way, it's super hot. I had planned to go to the drugstore and pick up a couple of things, but what I did end up doing instead is wait in line for almost an hour to get iced coffee in an MCM branded mug. I was waiting there for ages, but at least I wasn't the only one. I did film a little bit, but it was quite crowded, so yeah. Anyway, back to the office, and I guess I will have to postpone my drugstore trip until the weekend, I guess, because I'm already flying out on Monday, which feels so surreal, but last couple of days at home before London is calling. Alright, done with work for today, which also means it's the last time for quite a while that I'm able to walk like past Ferragamo, and I just walked past Hermes. I'm about to walk past Louis Vuitton. It's basically, the last time for quite a while that I'm able to do that on my lunch break and after work, because in London our office is at like Bank or Monuments, or not that many luxury boutiques around. But I'm happy to trade Hamburg for London for a bit. Okay, so this vlog turned out way shorter than I had anticipated or hoped for, I guess. Initially the plan was to just set up a tripod in my walk-on wardrobe and put you on a time lapse and show me packing basically, but turns out packing for half a year is definitely a struggle, and there's no way that I was going to show you the process, because it was rough. Hope you enjoyed this video nonetheless, although it's on the shorter side. Give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.